What up, everybody? Luke Ashlocke, she's running. Oh my gosh, I love this freaking car. This is my 77 Vet, check her out. She's a beast, missing a headlight of course, but, oops, come on. Missing one headlight, but gosh dang it, is this thing a beast. Oh my gosh. It's my Batmobile. Oh, I love her, man. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I'm gonna kill it, but it's got a little high RPMs right now, so I gotta figure that out, but I got the new master cylinder on. Let me get my flashlight so you can see. There you go. New master cylinder right there. I filled it up. I gotta, well, I think that's, oh, that's burning off that gosh dang oil. I spilled a bunch of brake fluid, sorry car, but yeah, dude, this thing is new master cylinder. She's ready to go. She's humming. She is purring like crazy. That's a little, oh, that's a little bit of fluid right there. So I think before I take her out tonight, I think I'm gonna get that new thermostat gasket and mess with the idle a little bit, but gosh dang, is this thing, oh, it's so dope, dude. It's so dope. Oh, I can't wait to drive this sucker. But there's my Kia, and of course there's my Ford. But oh man, I cannot wait to drive this sucker. Look at these old school headlights, brother, like right there. Oh, this is so cool. All right, man. Luke Ashlocke signing out, bro. This thing will be on the road, unfortunately, tomorrow, but fortunately, she's up and running. One start after all these years of sitting in that man's, what do you call it, barn. I get the breather on there, I turn her over. Whoa! Dude, these T-tops. Oh my, I just can't wait. I just can't wait. So, anyway, one more project down. This thing's going in for all of the particulars, all the fancy stuff. We're gonna do lights underneath the wheel wells, or the fender wells, and of course putting a sound system in it so that it bangs when it rolls. But man, I'm just so stoked. I can't tell you how much. Gosh dang, I love this car, man. So yeah, anyway, I'm Luke and I'm out. Peace.